Imagine a vehicle that doesn't just look powerful, but feels like a statement the moment you see it. Today, we're diving deep into a fully customized Mercedes G-Class 4x4 squared in a stunning metallic purple finish. This video will explain every single detail in a smooth and easy way, focusing on how to create perfect AI prompts for the front view, right view, left view, upper view, and interior shot of this machine. And by the end, you'll be able to generate hyper-realistic automotive images with complete accuracy. So sit back and let the visuals form in your imagination as I walk you through each angle in rich detail. Let's begin with the front view. Whenever you create a prompt for the front of a super aggressive SUV like this, the most important thing is describing the presence. The Mercedes G-Class 4x4 squared has a massive, tank-like posture, and that needs to be captured. The metallic purple color takes center stage right away, bouncing off the LED showroom lights like liquid metal. The rugged front bumper with its sharp edges and built-in LED fog lights adds a bold, muscular expression. The large Mercedes emblem sits proudly in the center of the grille, framed by black horizontal slats that make the face even more intimidating. The oversized off-road tires lift the entire SUV above the ground, giving you that powerful stance. And when you describe the reflections on the hood, the shadows under the bumper, and the crystal-clear headlight lenses catching the studio light, the image becomes truly photorealistic. This front view prompt makes the car feel like it's ready to drive out of the screen. Now move your mind slowly to the right side of the vehicle. This angle reveals the shape, the length, and the raw structure of the G-Class 4x4 squared. When writing a right-side prompt, focus on the wide stance, the massive wheel arches, and the lifted suspension. These elements visually separate the 4x4 squared from a normal G-Wagon. The metallic purple finish shines even brighter from the side because the body has a lot of flat surfaces that reflect the surrounding lights. The chunky off-road tires look almost cartoonishly oversized, but that's exactly what gives this vehicle the signature 4x4 squared look. The chrome side mirrors and the clearly visible door handles add that luxury touch, while the heavy body lines remind you this machine was built for extreme terrain. If you add details like floor reflections in the showroom and the clean white background, your prompt becomes complete and highly realistic. Now, shift your attention to the left side of the SUV. Even though it is similar to the right side, the lighting and angles always create differences, and good prompts must reflect that. The left side prompt highlights the vehicle's symmetry, the rugged fender flares, and the visible tire texture. The metallic purple paint again plays a major role here, but on this side the reflections often look softer because the LED lights hit the surface from a different angle. The doors, mirrors, hood outline, and rear outline all form a single, strong silhouette. When you mention the lifted suspension, the visible underbody details, and the smooth reflections on the floor, your prompt transforms from a simple description to a professional automotive capture. Now imagine the camera lifting above the vehicle, rising slowly until it reaches the top. The upper view, or top-down shot, is one of the most powerful ways to showcase the G-Class 4x4 squared. From above, you can see the full width, the roof design, the roof rails if installed, the sunroof shapes, and the oversized tires sticking out beyond the body. This view shows how wide and muscular the 4x4 squared really is. When writing a top view prompt, highlight the crisp reflections on the roof, the bright LED showroom lights bouncing off the flat panels, and the symmetrical layout of the lights above. Drone-style wording helps a lot because it gives AI models a clear idea of the camera angle. You can also mention the clean showroom floor and how the shape of the vehicle contrasts sharply against the light background. That alone adds a cinematic quality to the prompt. And now, we step into the interior. The moment you sit inside a Mercedes G-Class 4x4 squared, the rugged exterior transforms into a world of luxury. Think of soft leather with diamond stitching, metallic trims on the dashboard, an AMG-style steering wheel with thick grips, and the fully digital instrument cluster lighting up the cabin. The ambient lighting glows softly, often in purple or white tones, complementing the vehicle's exterior color. The center console has high-detail textures, polished buttons, and cup holders that shine even in low light. When creating your interior prompt, focus on words like premium, hyper-realistic, ultra-detailed, ambient lighting, and close-up automotive photography. These elements allow the AI to capture the richness and luxury of the interior. Mention the screens, the reflections on the metallic trims, and the stitching pattern on the seats to maximize realism. Each of these prompts works because it taps into three important things: the color, the environment, and the details. The metallic purple color is rare and eye-catching. The futuristic white showroom creates perfect reflections and shadow clarity. And the details such as tire texture, stitching, chrome accents, and lighting are what transform a simple AI image into a professional automotive photograph. When combined correctly, the result is a high-end visual experience that looks like it came straight out of a real-world luxury car photoshoot. Whether you're using these prompts for thumbnails, posters, Instagram Reels, or full YouTube content, they will help you create hyper-realistic visuals that build engagement. The accuracy of angles, the crispness of the reflections, and the way each prompt describes the environment ensures that your AI-generated images look as good as studio photography. This is how you create perfect prompts for the front, right, left, upper, and interior views of the Mercedes G-Class 4x4². Each angle is unique, each detail adds realism, and each prompt unlocks a new perspective on this iconic, powerful luxury SUV. With this complete understanding, you'll be able to generate detailed, cinematic images that stand out anywhere. And that wraps up your complete 9 minutes and 40 seconds voiceover explanation. When you look at a vehicle that blends power, luxury, and an unmistakable presence, the Mercedes G-Class 4x4² easily stands at the top. In this video, I'm going to walk you through every detail you need to understand in order to create the perfect AI prompts for this incredible machine. From the front view to the right side, the left side, the upper angle, and even the interior. And I'll break it down in a simple, natural way so you can use these prompts for thumbnails, AI art, reels, short films, or detailed automotive visuals. So just listen and imagine the complete picture forming in your mind as we explore every angle in this 9-minute and 40-second explanation. Let's start with the front view because that is the angle that carries the biggest impression. When you see the Mercedes G-Class 4x4² from the front, the first thing you notice is its massive stance. The metallic purple color looks bold and royal under bright showroom lighting, almost like a liquid metal finish that reflects every LED strip in the room. The grille at the center has that signature Mercedes emblem that instantly tells you this isn't just a big SUV, it's a status symbol. When you include details like the rugged steel bumper, the beefy off-road tires, the lifted suspension, and the sharp reflections on the hood, the front view prompt becomes powerful and realistic. The headlights, especially in a studio environment, catch reflections from all directions, adding depth and clarity. Mentioning things like shadow contrast, LED fog lights, and metallic reflections make the AI produce images that look like real automotive photography. Now imagine yourself slowly moving to the right side of the vehicle. The right side view reveals the length of the body and the strength of its structure. The oversized tires sit under wide fender flares that look ready to take on any terrain. The metallic purple color glows differently here because the light hits the flat panels more smoothly. You can see the chrome side mirrors, the strong door lines, and even the reflections on the glossy showroom floor. In your prompt, describing the highly reflective white showroom with bright ceiling lights helps the AI understand that this is a premium environment. Words like wide stance, tall suspension, chunky tire texture, and detailed side panels will make the image come out crisp, clean, and photorealistic. This side view isn't just about showing the vehicle, it's about showing its attitude. Now shift your mind to the left side of the G-Class. The left angle often looks similar, but to create a perfect AI prompt, you must highlight the slight differences in lighting and reflection. The LED panels in the showroom reflect differently on this side, sometimes creating softer highlights on the doors and more intense reflections on the hood. The rugged fender flares, the lifted ground clearance, and the aggressive body shape all become more visible here. When you describe the symmetry of the body, the bold silhouette, the texture of the off-road tires, and the polished finish of the metallic paint, you give the AI enough information to create a fully accurate left-side render. The left view is excellent for profile shots, posters, and cinematic AI scenes. Now slowly imagine the camera rising above the car. As the angle moves upward, you start seeing the shape of the roof, the sunroof design, the top rails if equipped, and the full width of this beastly off-roader. An upper view or top-down shot is important in AI prompting because it gives a complete sense of structure. When you add words like drone-style shot, top-down angle, crisp reflections on the roof, and LED showroom light symmetry, the AI instantly understands the orientation. From the top, the G-Class 4x4 squared shows just how wide and muscular it really is. The oversized tires extend outward, giving the SUV a planted and powerful stance. Including the glossy white floor and the clean showroom background brings out a high-end, cinematic look. The key to a strong upper view prompt is emphasizing reflections, symmetry, and the bold shape of the vehicle. Now let's step inside and explore the interior. When you sit inside a Mercedes G-Class 4x4 squared, the rugged energy from the outside turns into pure luxury. Imagine soft leather seats with diamond stitching that catches the light perfectly. The steering wheel is thick, sporty, and feels solid in your hands. The dashboard lights up with digital screens, ambient lighting, and metallic trims that shine softly in the background. When you create an AI prompt for the interior, focus on words like ultra-detailed, premium leather, digital cockpit, ambient lighting, high-resolution textures, and cinematic interior photography. These elements help the model generate images that feel real, warm, and immersive. Talk about the stitching, the metallic buttons, the glowing screens, the clean center console, and the reflections on the dashboard, and you'll get a result that looks like a photo taken inside a real luxury SUV. Now let's pull all of this together. Creating accurate prompts isn't just about listing features, it's about guiding the AI to understand the environment, the mood, the angle, and the textures. The metallic purple paint, the bright LED showroom lights, the reflective floor, the lifted suspension, and the oversized off-road tires all contribute to the final result. The best AI images come from prompts that carefully combine color, environment, detail, and camera angle. Describing the lighting, the reflections, the shadows, and even the mood makes the output look like a studio-level photograph. The Mercedes G-Class 4x4 squared is not just a luxury SUV, it's an icon, and writing the right prompt helps you capture that iconic energy perfectly. Each angle presents a new perspective, a new way to appreciate the design, and a new way to show off the power and luxury of this machine. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, thumbnails for your channel, posters for social media, or even high-end AI-generated automotive art, these detailed prompts allow you to get perfect results every time. This complete explanation has shown you exactly how to write powerful, photorealistic prompts for the front, right, left, upper, and interior views of this incredible vehicle. When you combine accuracy with creativity, your AI images become cinematic and professional. And with this knowledge, you now have everything you need to bring this purple Mercedes G-Class 4x4 squared to life through AI.